So we are walking in St. Augustine. We are on our way to the Sailors Exchange to see if we can find some parts so that we can finally put up our mainsail, because turns out there's some part on there that's stuck. It's screwed in there. The screw won't come off. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to get that to just break off, because they put a stainless steel screw on an aluminum mast and didn't put any protectant on it or something, and I don't know. Now it won't come off. So we have to figure out how to do that if we're going to get our mainsail up today or any day. So we were just getting a nice little walking tour of.
Anyway, so what I really like that
St. Augustine. Yeah, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. Very luxurious and expensive. And we've made it.
prepare myself good enough for this place.
Right?
Yeah, I'll be able to make something work.
I'm gonna have to go look at what kind of bilge switch we got. I can definitely replace it here.
You mean pump? I don't know if we should both be sitting in here.
Neither. So it's getting dark out today. Right now. And then, there's not much to do tomorrow, except for the mainsail. That's what we're gonna do first, I think.
Maybe.
Long enough.
Instead of waiting until morning, we decided to take advantage of the nice, calm night and try to put up our mainsail.
At this point, we were just trying to get the battens into the mainsail, which required us to put the batten in and then put this flap with some Velcro in around it so that it would stay in and not fly out the second we raised the mainsail. So this was a little bit complicated because we did not have the right tool to help us with this.
The cool part of putting up the sail. It's going.
I don't know. We're gonna go with it.
Then,
Okay, Paul.
how will we get it inside the lazy
What does it say?
That's a problem.
What?
We gotta get it inside the lazy jacks. I can pull the strings. I can loosen the lazy jacks. However, maybe that's why we should have put this.
Before the battens?
Bloody hell.
Well, let's do that. Let's put it in. I can get it around this one. Let's just put it up. Does that make sense?
I don't know how much line I have on the lazy jacks to let it out.
What's the lazy jack?
It's what
These
holds
things.
the.
Okay.
Really?
Here, we can let the lazy jack out. So this is the.
That's the line for
That's one of the lines to the lazy jack.
I am moving.
cam, water
That's
cam.
just it, like, once we-
Nice water cam. And now to the boats. So,
Well, it seems okay. But
Well, I have it tied off
you know what, Lily?
on the underside here.
yeah, because I can pull a little bit of this.
But when we start getting it
Lots
long
of
enough-
stuff happening right
Oh,
now.
okay.
Just let's.
There's a lily in the
We're
swing. There's a bridge opening over there.
So,
And there's this sail going on. Up, up.
what's that? Again, we're gonna have a problem now.
You're kind of in the way of the camera.
You can move.
Yeah, because I don't think it's.
You move. Don't get my backside. That's weird.
Just go ahead and keep putting it up, and I'm gonna.
It's Emma cam.
I think we can make it work. Just go ahead and keep holding it up.
Okay.
I got an idea.
Go out. Keep going.
What is that on?
Okay. take
Age
the- take
33,
the, one line off,
37.
The winch. Right, go.
It's rising.
All right.
Oh,
Hey, Sam.
Yeah.
Get the winch handle out for your sister. It's
Winch
in that-
handle?
it's in the locker underneath your feet.
Yep.
Okay. Winch cam. Winch handle. Woo. We got it.
Well, at least you're not finding poo in it, Charlotte. I am. 2 times.
At Sam.
I'm cameraman.
Need the winch handle.
Today,
Winch handle. This cam.
hoping that we get enough to remain up that get the rest of it.
Winching, winching.
Hang on.
It's almost up
All right,
there.
keep
That
going.
to y'all, that looks like a bit of space, but it's actually really long. Y'all might think this is just very slow, but no,
I think
it's
it's
very hard to get the line.
Hold it a little bit different, and your idea might have worked.
I think that, well, honestly, I think it should have been, like, we should have unfolded it and refolded it so that
Yeah.
the bottom went first instead. Well, no, that would it is what it is. We're just gonna make it work. Right now we're outside of our lazy jacks, right?
Crap. All right, bring it down.
Ooh.
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention to lazy jacks. I got outside of one.
Here, you might be able to just hang on a second.
But beautiful. What is happening? Sunset cam.
There you go. There you go. You got it.
We got it.
And
We're
that's
in.
One batten we put up.
There we go.
Opting is
It's
Thanks,
kind
Sam.
of we're running out of
Go ahead.
light. We
Keep
may not
going.
be able to use cam anymore. Up she goes.
There have got to be other sailors just looking at it.
We're still going.
It feels thin.
Alright, there's one of our reading points.
What is going on here? Hold on. We got.
Intermission.
It just feels so doggone thin.
Never mind. We going back.
All right, keep going.
Whatever works.
Wait, you need to breathe. You're bringing
I need you to pull the leech
Pull it
out.
outward towards the end.
What are you talking about?
Pull the end of the sail that you got, pull it out as it's folding. Because the battens aren't there to do that.
So pull the end
This is really hard to do.
this
I'm
way.
trying to
Okay,
fall
then why
down,
don't you
fall
come right here and I'll do that. I'm not very tall, but I probably can do it. We're
down.
not
It's
that
just slippery and I
different.
don't want to slip and fall.
No, I understand. It's okay. Just come here and do this. It's fine.
Why do you want Mike? You got quiet now. You wasted my time.
Good morning.
Just
So, I'm trying to get away from these fighting kids because, you know, kids. So yesterday, and good morning, I have good morning hair, and very tired looking, but we got the sail, at least on the mast. We still have to put the battens in. We still have to figure out the zipper because when we put it in, we got caught in the system that the previous owners have, and so that was not working well, and so we can't zip it yet, but when we put the battens in today we'll be able to. And coffee, because I can't live without coffee. So if we can get the battens in, so which means we'll have to put the sail up one more time, and then we'll hopefully be able to figure out how to reef. And that's my next project, figuring out how to reef and how to set our reefing lines, I should say. So we'll see. So our current situation is we're still trying to figure out our mast and rigging. So maybe y'all can figure out what these things go to. So I don't know if you can see this with the sun, but we have reef 1 right here. This is reef 1. Then we have reef 2. I think I said that right. Yeah, reef 1, reef 2. I have reef 1 gone back to right here on the left, and I have reef 2 over there on the right. I don't really quite understand how the running rigging is ran on this boat yet, but I'm also not sure how we put it on. Like, do you just wait until you need to reef and then you tie up, or do you tie these onto the mat or onto the sail so that when it's time to reef you just pull the sail down, pull this through, and tie it off? Like, I don't know what you're supposed to do with this exactly. And mainly because when we learned, this is not how they did the reefing, I don't think. Then again, maybe it is. We didn't tie it until it was time, and then you tied it down. Okay, I think I've got it. So I'm not sure that we need to do anything else, but how about this? If you're watching and you know anything about reefing, comment below on what your system is. Now we're on a monohull. We're not on a multi-hull. We're not on a catamaran. We're on a monohull, and it's a 37.5 Hunter. What do you have, and how do you reef? I'm assuming that these lines, now that I'm talking it out, don't tie onto the mainsail until it's time. And so then you lower it to your reefing point, tie this through. We're gonna have to go out and practice this. Join us next time as we roam St. Augustine, play a little mini golf, and head on home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, we'll see you then.